Ermi Group is amongst the top RMG manufacturers in Bangladesh, redefining the perception of production with full-fledged distinction and steadfastness. We have further strengthened our foothold through Industry 4.0 to increase productivity, reduce waste and energy consumption, and gain real-time data insights. We continue to lead the way through lean manufacturing or lean production in order to produce the best quality acrylic, various functional fabric of polyester, along with cotton and cotton blends fabric. Ermi Group has been a preferred supplier of its products for many of the top-notch international brands. We welcome you to take a virtual tour as we guide you through our process of manufacturing, starting from the yarn to the finished fabric. At Ermi Group, the primary step of our robust manufacturing process begins with stocking the best quality yarn from the market. Here, we sort the boxes of yarn with RFID tags before entering the yarn store, which is one of the 5S productivity practices. Every specific yarn trolley needs to pass through the RFID system integrated with ERP. This process remains under uninterrupted supervision as we cannot afford to lose our competence throughout the production. The yarns are issued from the store only upon requisition and pass through the RFID scanner in order to ensure that there is no wastage, dilution, or misplacement of the raw material. To ensure the utmost efficiency and quality of our production, a troubleshooting box is available on the floor for the operators where they can submit the trouble ticket. One of the core values of lean manufacturing is the ability to make improvements whenever necessary. So the maintenance engineer does not only troubleshoot the issue, but he or she also discusses it with the maintenance team on a very short meeting, which enables the crew to be aware of the different issues. Once the knitting is completed, the gray fabric roll is taken for ERP and RFID mapping process, which helps us to keep track of each and every roll throughout the manufacturing process by implementing roll management. This is an example of set-in-order principle from Lean. Every single roll goes through a quality check so we can guarantee that the quality of the fabric meets our high standards. After the proper quality check, the gray fabric rolls pass through the RFID scanner twice, while leaving knitting process and while entering the gray store. Once in the gray store, the rolls are sorted accordingly in their separate shelves. The inventory audit and misplaced roll searching facility is carried out through an automated RFID process that helps in faster batch preparation. Moving forward, the requisition is then made from the batch department, and according to that, the particular gray fabric rolls are issued for that particular batch and sent to the supermarket. According to demand of dyeing machine-wise production planning, a couple of batches are prepared in advance and kept in supermarket to ensure smooth supply to the downstream process, which reduces machine idle time and run our manufacturing process flow with maximum efficiency. The Kanban process then starts with the call from dyeing section, and the supermarket is notified accordingly with an alert. It is then transferred with the help of a forklift for the dyeing process. The batch is then passed under the RFID scanner before entering the dyeing section, ensuring only right rolls are available in that batch. At the dyeing section, through our continuous washing and heat setting processes, we prepare the synthetic fabric for dyeing. Then the fabric is sent directly into the dyeing machine, which is supervised with the help of Orgatex that streamlines production planning and scheduling, real-time data analytics, and automatic operations control. Integration between Orgatex and ERP in the future will enhance data accuracy and augment ERP traceability. ERMI Group is best at its maintenance practices and expects to increase the service level and availability of the machinery with the computerized maintenance management system. The auto-dosing and auto-dispensing facilities of Color Service are currently being installed in our factory, and integration with ERP in near future will make inventory and production management easier and time-saving. Automatic laboratory management system by Technorama to develop recipes for bulk production is also currently being installed. We made actionable KPI an essential tool for performance evaluation. Measuring skills of team members and systematic training is supporting to maintain standard work practice to produce quality products just in time. From the dyeing machine, the fabric is then transferred to the slitting machine, and then to the sterner machine. And if the fabric is cotton, then it goes to the compacting machine. Standardizing is one of the principles in Lean, which we are resolute about maintaining throughout the production process. The Gemba Walk is practiced across our production floor to understand the challenges and gather the information which are needed to solve problems and make the best possible decisions. Andon's signboard is incorporating signal lights to indicate which workstation is facing a problem and is designed to alert operators and managers accordingly. Once again, a detailed quality check is done in order to ensure that our product is nothing but the best. Upon completion, the final roll is integrated with the internal ERP with inspection details. When everything is completed, a finishing problem-solving meeting is conducted to discuss the problems and solutions that have been taken to reach that stage. Later, the fabric is packed using automated poly packaging and prepared to be shipped to specific destinations. We are ERMI Group, and slowing down is not an option for us in the race to better ourselves. Lean practices are helping us to set the benchmark and upholding it. We remain determined to continuously serve our customers with full satisfaction at home and abroad.